the loudest checkup on Earth. So, why does an MRI sound like a construction site from the future? It all starts with supermagnets. Seriously powerful ones to take those incredible pictures. The machine sends rapid pulses of electricity through special coils. And here's the bang. When the power hits, the coil vibrates. Fast and hard, against its casing. We're talking thousands of these pulses every second. That's your symphony of knocks, buzzers, and beeps. So how do you survive a scan without the panic? Here's your game plan. Defense Layer 1. Gear up. Always use the provided earplugs and the over-ear headphones. Double the protection. Defense Layer 2. Distract your brain. Ask if you can listen to music or a podcast. It's a total game changer. Defense Layer 3. Escape in your mind. Plan a detailed mental vacation before you go in. Relive a favorite memory or plan a dream trip. Remember, the noise is just the sound of super precise science. It means you're getting the clearest picture possible. You've got this. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification button for more.